Everyone, this is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. We're here in beautiful downtown St. Antoine. Nice to be back home. We just left the post office right there, and we just got our KJ6ER POTA PERformer that we ordered off of eBay from, who got it from? The POTA PERformer Essentials Kit by W9 LDN. That's who shipped it to us. Anyway, you can't see it here, but there's a customs tag on it. We got dinged $75 duty, import duty, for steel tariff because of U.S. steel. So not only did we pay for the antenna, they charged us $75 tax duty on this nice product here, U.S. steel tariff. So just a word of warning to all my countrymen out there, my fellow Canadian hams, if you're ordering antennas like this from the United States, you're going to get dinged import tariffs now. We knew the tariffs were coming, and we knew the conflict between our two governments. But yeah, $75, what do they call it? U.S. steel surtax applied. U.S. steel surtax. There you have it, folks. Tariffs are now hitting ham radio gear, even though it's not supposed to be part of NAFTA or whatever they call it now, USMCA. But that doesn't include the steel that our antennas are made from. All right, if I would have known that, I probably would have passed on getting the kit. All right, just word of warning. This is Stuart, Biggie 9, Charlie Fox. Make sure you ask questions like that before you order any gear. DX Engineering, stuff like that, you should be okay because they'll tell you up front. But you never know what happens when it gets across that country, the border there. All right, we'll see you guys later. Word of warning. Good luck. This is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. It's nice to be back home. 7-3, everyone.